Hisense U8G. If you want to save money and maintain great overall performance, then the Hisense U8G is the best mid-range smart TV we have tested. It's an impressive TV with premium features that cost less than higher-end models, making it a greater choice if you want a mid-range option. It has Android TV as its built-in smart interface, which has a ton of apps available to download through the Google Play Store, so you are sure to find your favorite content. Android TV can take some time to learn, but once you do, it's easy to use and makes navigating through the menu feel smooth. In terms of picture quality, it looks great as it displays deep blacks if you want to watch content in a dark room, and it gets bright enough to fight glare in a well-lit room. It also delivers an excellent HDR experience as highlights pop and colors look vivid. No matter the content you stream, it's an impressive overall TV. The Hisense U8G has size variants of 55-inch and 65-inch, and it's a 4K resolution TV. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Best Buy for your day-to-day top-notch commodities.